Hi, my pupils. Today it will be the video for Saudi syllabus grade 2, unit 2. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today I will start the second unit in your book. We can Saudi syllabus grade 2. Let's go to our unit today. Our unit today is about what? Is about things we wear. Okay, here is we talk last class we talk about what we feelings. Today we talk about things we wear. Let's go to our unit today to learn more about this unit. Okay, here we say things we wear. What things we wear? Here we wear shoes, we wear skirt, we wear shoes, we wear skirt, we wear trouser or pant, we wear dress, and so on. Let's know more about this topic. Here we say there is a dialogue inside of us. Let's read it together. Whose head is this? It's not mine. You are welcome. We say here, wow, I like your hat. Here is this girl saying hi. Wow, I like your hat. Hi, Labiba. Thank you. Smile. Thank you. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have sounds and letters. We have here whose, who, what, why. Here is WH pronunciation. Whose, who, what, and why. Okay. Here we say, listen and point the number that we say. Here we say, here's who. Which one is saying who? This one, which one saying who here? Here is saying whose. This is number one. This is number one saying whose. This is number one. Here's who. What? Here is what. Which one is saying what? No, here is sounds and letters, not we have sounds and letters. Who's wearing white? The girl is wearing white. Let's go to another one here. Here is the fun time. Here is in this part, we took the constructions, or we say construction, we can say construction or abbreviation. We say it is. We say it is written like this. We say it is not, we hear it's not. Here we say, when we talk about whose, I talk about something is belongs to me. It is position, but I know that you can't know this word. I will give you another word, which is saying something is belong to me. Whose, to ask about something is belong to me. Okay, this is the means of the whose when we ask about whose. We say it's mine. When we say, I would like to say this is called possessive pronouns. It's called possessive possessive pronoun. Okay, this is called possessive pronoun. It's kind of pronouns called possessive pronoun. We have another kind of pronouns, which is we have here a pronoun. Here is pronoun. We have here possessive pronoun. This is called possessive pronoun. Possessive. This is possessive pronoun. Possessive. This is called possessive pronoun. When we talk about there is a difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun? Possessive adjective must be followed by a noun. Like we say, it's my book. When we say it's my book, we say here it's my book. For example, I give you an example. It's my book. So this is called possessive adjectives. Why? Because it followed because my here followed by what? By the noun. When we say it's mine, so here is called, when you say here it's mine, so here I ask about this, something is mine. So this is called possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. This is called possessive pronoun. Okay, BB means possessive pronoun. This is called possessive adjective. BA means possessive adjective. This is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. I think now we know this. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say Here's the teacher saying, whose head is this? It's mine, thank you. Here we can say, in this part, we learn the using of whose. When we meet someone, I say, I like your anything. Okay, this is the expression we use it here. Rhythms and listening. Here we say, who is wearing green? Green, green, green. Who is wearing green today? Green, green, green. Who's wearing green? I'm wearing green today. Look at me and you will see I'm wearing green today. So here we talk about the green color. Green color we can see in what is the famous things that we see in green color. It will be the grass. Okay, so the grass. So here I write here the missing letter here. It will be the grass is green. The grass is green. So it's what it's space it. It's space it. I think so, I know. So I don't know here what we need here from this one. So the grass is here is the grass is green. It's space to eat. It's I think it's able to eat. So I leave this one to note next class. Okay, I will leave this part. Okay, let's go to another one here. Okay. Here we say whose not whose as we know. Whose is an abbreviation or construction. Who is or who is. Who is wearing blue today? He is, but he is not wearing blue. Wearing what? Wearing red. This one wearing blue. This one wearing green. So who is wearing green? Here is a chant. Say three colors I'm wearing today. We say here, we can say the three colors, red, green, and blue. This is the three colors today. So here, listen and point the chant. Boys, I'm wearing what? I'm wearing, here's an orange hat. Here is, I'm wearing red hat. Okay. So here we say, boys, here is a cap. Here is a cap, sunglasses, t-shirt, a jacket, and jeans. This is the one who's wearing this. Here is we have a hat, blouse. Here is a hat. The girl is wearing hat, blouse, a sweater, a skirt, and shoes. Okay, boys chant the boys' clothes. Girls chant the girls' clothes. Here we say, listen and touch the right picture. Use two hands. Cape, which one is cape? This one. Glasses, this one. Here is sandals, called sandals. Yes, here's the sandal. Shirt, this one. Okay. We say, I can say the names of 5 things that we can wear. Name 2 things I'm wearing today. So we can say I'm wearing pants, I'm wearing blouse, I'm wearing. So pants here can hear this called pants. Okay, can say pants or trousers. Both are correct. Can say I'm wearing a skirt or I'm wearing shirt, dress or shirt, and so on. Let's go to another one here. Here is the phonics. Let's read it together. P and B jingles. B and B parrot. B and B pin. B and B panda. Here is we say B and B pear. B and B banana. B and B bat. Okay. Here is the sound letters. Here is sound letters. Let's read it together. Here is plain and plate. This is the pronounce of PL. Plain and plate. Blue and black. Okay. Here is the plate is blue. So I say here, I write it here, the plate. I write here the plate. Here is the plate. Written like this. Plate is what? Is blue here. Is blue. The plate is blue. Let's go to another one here. Here is have fun time. Here is hold a tissue in front of mouth. This is the tissue that we use it when we cough or when we cough. So we use this material called tissue. Here is pin, banana, plain, blue, plate, black, panda, bed, parrot, pear. Here is we say, kill if the words start with P or P. We say here, I give you an example of P like pin. Okay, I give you an example, B like pin. When we say about B, I say, for example, bowl, or I say here banana, for example. All these words started with letter B. Okay, let's go to another one here. Say two words begin with P and two words begin with P. We say here, we say here pin, say here pin and parrot. Okay, I say here pen and parrot. This is the two words started by letter P. I'd say two letters by P, like banana. Here is we say banana, and we say here, I think banana and ball. Okay, both or pear, I will write pear. Okay, both are correct. So here is the words that started by letter P. So here we say dress neatly. Okay, here is dress neatly. Okay, this is the value that we learned here in this topic. Let's go to another one here. Here we stop here. Here the unit ended. I will revise it from the booklet. Let's go to the booklet to make a revise of what we took here in this lesson. In this lesson, we learned some expressions. I would like to start to learn with me. Here is we say. We say in this lesson we learn. Wow, I like your hat. Thank you. Whose hat is this? When I talk about whose, I talk about something it belongs to me. You say it's mine, thank you, or it's not mine. This is the answering of this question. Who's wearing blue today? So who here is asked about the subject pronoun, the subject person, and the apostrophe S is the abbreviation or a construction of is. Okay, must know this. Okay, so it would be who is wearing the blue today. Say I'm wearing a blue, or I'm not wearing a blue. He's wearing a blue. She's wearing blue. So when we end from our meeting, we say thank you or we are welcome. Let's go to another one here. Or say we are welcome when we end from the meeting, or when we leave someone, I say thank you, we are welcome, we are welcome. Let's go to another one here, to another item here in this unit. In this unit, we learn the two keywords question, whose and who. We know whose when we ask about something is belongs to me, who to ask about subject person, as we know before. Okay, we say whose hat is this? It's my hat. You say it's my hat, or when we say it's mine, you can say it's my hat or it's mine. Both are correct. When we say who is wearing blue today, I'm wearing blue today, or I'm not wearing blue today, he's wearing blue today, she's wearing blue today. So here we use, we know the who's for asking something is belongs to me, and who is asking about subject person. Here we have the punctuation mark that we must know it. Here in this part we know some punctuation mark, which is question mark, apostrophe S like this. When we write I am writing like this, if we don't have the apostrophe, you must put it in the exam. Here we will say what is the matter. So this called abbreviation on construction. We must put it like this. All these called what? All these called the punctuation mark. Full stop, question mark, apostrophe. All these called a punctuation mark. Here when we talk about something, the indefinite articles that we started with consonant sound, we use a. When we talk about the vowel sound, it will be a, e, I, o, u. This is called a, e, I, o, u. This is called the vowel sound. This is vowel sound. This is vowels. This is vowels, and the vowels takes what? Takes a. The vowel takes a. Okay. And we use N with these vowels. Okay, let's continue the rest of our lesson. Here we say an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. This is called the vowels. Here we have things we wear. We say here shoes. We have something that have two pairs, like shoes, like glasses, like jeans, all these must be followed by sy, because we have two pairs from it, like shoes, glasses, jeans, and so on. Okay, and I think we can return to page 16 and know more about this. Okay, here after that we talk about can I speak to Joy? Here is can expressing the ability. Can I speak to Joy? What are you doing? So here when I ask someone about something that we do, we say, what are you doing? I'm doing my homework, I'm watching TV, I'm reading a book, and so on. Okay. Here in this unit, we learned some vocab. Let's revise together. Green, brown, blue, grass, great, white, who, whose, what, wearing, boys, girls, sunglasses, t-shirt, jacket, jeans. Here is blouse, sweater, skirt, and shoes. Okay. Here is here is the pronunciation or the phonics. Let's know it together. Here is we know parrot, pin. Parrot, and as we know here during the lesson, I write words started with letter B like this, and letters started with letter B like this. And we know during the lesson when we learn the lesson, I write it for you. Okay, I write it examples for letter B and letter B like this. We say here pear. We say here pear, blue, banana, black, and big. This is the letter B. We have letter B like this: parrot, parrot, plane, plate, and pin. Okay. Let's go to answer the questions. Here is when we say how are you. So when we ask someone saying how are you, so the answer it will be here what? It will be I'm fine, thank you. What is the matter? So here ask about someone. I don't say it's not in good way. So I say to him, what is the matter? So here we say I'm scared. Nice to meet you. The replying it will be nice to meet you too. What are you doing? As we know during the lesson, when we ask someone about something we're doing, we say what you are doing. We're playing football, we're reading book, and so on. So here it will be he's playing football. What are you wearing? So here in this part, we took the lesson that we took today. It will be I'm wearing a skirt and blouse. Whose hat is this? We say here it's mine. This one. Okay. Let's go to another item here, another exercise question here in this exercise. This is the general exercise to know more about it. Here we say, wow, wow, I like your jacket. Thank you. Whose hat is this? It's mine. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. What are you doing? He's watching TV. How are you? I'm great. Say can this question have two replying. I'm great, thanks, or I'm fine, or I'm fine. Okay. Let's choose this. Let's choose the right from this picture. Here we say he is hungry. He's thirsty. We'll say here is hungry. Hungry. This one is hungry. This one is hungry. He's thirsty. This boy is thirsty. She's sleepy. This one's sleepy. She's scared. This is scared. This is scared. This one is scared. Okay. Here we say she's wearing sunglasses. Is it one? Is this one? Is this girl or this girl? She's wearing sunglasses. Yes. He's wearing a jacket. No, it's not wearing jacket. Wearing what? Wearing t-shirt. She's wearing a skirt. Yes. Here. So let's answer this question. Here is paying. I space wearing a dress. So here is the verb present continuous tense. Am is are plus verb plus ing. So here I takes what in the verb to be am. Okay, but pupils. Number 2, space is this. So it will be here whose. It's space mine. Space doing his homework. So he is. Why is? Because as we know that the present continuous tense am is are plus verb plus ing. They are playing football. What space the matter? What is the matter? Here it's what? It's skirt here. We with space wearing green. We are wearing green. What are you space? What are you doing here? So here what she's cold. So here we say here is the correct the word. Let's do it together. Here is so here I met who and say what is the matter? This is expression using here. He is watching TV. What is wearing? What here is it will be is wearing green today. So I ask about the person wearing this one. So here I ask about what? About subject person. So it will be who. What are you doing? So here it's mine. Mine. So I ask about something belongs to me. It will be here whose. So here we have write the correct words under each picture. So this boy, what is this boy doing? So here I say he's watching TV. This boy doing what? He is eating snacks. What this boy doing? He is doing karate. This boy is playing football. Okay. So here is missing letters. Let's do this exercise together. So the letter here to be here D. So as we told you before, grade 2, grade 2 and grade 1 and all grades, we must keep the vocab. Why? Because we have missing letters, and when we don't keep the vocab, you can't answer this question because this question depend on keeping the vocab. Here is we say doll. Here is tomato. Here is tiger. Here is door, here is door, here is what? Here is telephone, and here is dog. So the missing letter here, it will be D. Let's go to another question. Here I make a quick revise on what we took before. By this question, we end from our revise and our lesson. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.